Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to properly close your BMW X1 hood. First, make sure there are no tools, rags, or other items left in the engine bay that could interfere with the closing mechanism. It's a good practice to do a quick visual check. Then, gently lower the hood until it's about 1 foot or 12 inches above the closed position. This initial step sets you up for a smooth and safe closure. Once the hood is about 12 inches from fully closing, release it. Let the hood's own weight do the work, allowing it to drop and engage the primary latch mechanism. This method helps ensure a secure closure without applying excessive force. Remember, never push down on the hood to try and force it shut, as this can cause dents or damage to the body panels. After the hood has dropped, it's crucial to verify that it's securely latched. Gently try to lift the front edge of the hood. If it's properly closed, it should not lift more than about 1/2 inch or 0.5 inches. If you find that the hood lifts significantly, it means the latch hasn't fully engaged. In that case, simply reopen it and repeat the drop process from the 12-inch height. Finally, take a moment to visually inspect the hood. It should sit flush with the surrounding fenders and grille, indicating a proper closure. You should also hear 2 distinct clicks as the latches engage when it drops. Always perform this quick double check before you start driving your BMW X1, ensuring both your safety and the vehicle's integrity. It's a simple habit that provides peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.